Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily delete all of the pins in a board on Pinterest. So you can only do it if your pins are all in this specific board. So you are going to go to your profile here and go to the board that you want to delete. For instance, this craft one, there's only like two, and I want to remove all the pins in that. So I'm just going to select this button right here, and then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select delete board. The board crafts and two pins will be removed from your profile. You have 7 days to restore them in the recently deleted section. Press delete and it's going to remove all of the pins. If you want to really remove everything, it's a little bit more difficult than that. So I would just suggest you putting it into a board or deleting it in that board of pins that you want to remove, and then you can just delete the board altogether. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.